All right. We get a 4 trigger. And the old Eureka Treasure Train. We always go Dynamite. 5 cent denom. Okay. There's some room in the middle. Room in the middle to make a difference here. 5 spins. 2 cent denom. Sorry, 240 bet. Lied to everybody. You know we gotta hit them here in the middle. That's very good. Let's put it right here. Let's finish it out. 3 spins. Fill it up. Come on. Last one. Come on, baby. Ah, of course. 2 cent denom. Took that back. 240, and $12. Come on, baby. Majors available. That's 1,000. Let's just do that. 2 cent denom. Let's get more rainbow shiny words. I mean numbers. Geez, sorry. Keep going. Big, bigger. Bigger than that, please. Love the music, though. Oh, come on. Where's them rainbow words that I asked for them and yet hiding them? There's one, okay. Some more of that. Come back, train. Come back for more. Come back for more. Gross. Not gross. We don't complain. 124. Yui.